Friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix this device is locked because of family settings for screen time. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on start and type msconfig. Open this system configuration. Now click on services. Now click here service. Now in this list guys, find out parent control. So guys, in this list you need to find out parental controls and uncheck this option. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Now guys, you need to restart your PC to take effect. So just you need to restart. So guys, after restart, hopefully this device is locked because of family settings for screen time will be resolved. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please friends subscribe this channel for more useful videos.